Let's dive into the military might of Iran, a country that's been at the center of global headlines and strategy debates for decades. When you think about Middle Eastern power players, Iran's military is impossible to ignore. So just how strong are they? Let's break down the facts. First up, manpower. Iran boasts one of the largest standing militaries in the region with around 610,000 active personnel and another 350,000 in reserve. That's a huge force, especially when you consider the country's population and geography. But numbers alone don't win wars. It's about capability, technology, and sheer firepower. Iran's military is divided mainly between two forces: the regular army called the Artesh and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or IRGC. The IRGC isn't just a military force, it's a political powerhouse with its own ground, naval, and air branches plus control over Iran's strategic missile forces. Think of them as a parallel army, loyal directly to Iran's supreme leader. When it comes to hardware, Iran's arsenal is a mix of old, new, and homegrown. Their air force relies on aging American jets from before the 1979 revolution like F-14 Tomcats and F-4 Phantoms, plus some Russian aircraft like MiG-29S. But where Iran really stands out is in drones and missiles. Iran's missile program is among the largest in the Middle East. They have a variety of short, medium, and some long-range ballistic missiles. The Shahab series can strike targets up to 2,000 kilometers away, potentially threatening US bases and allies in the region. In 2020, Iran even fired ballistic missiles at US forces in Iraq, demonstrating both reach and accuracy. Now let's talk drones. Iran has rapidly developed its drone technology, producing models like the Shahed 136 that have seen action in conflicts from Yemen to Ukraine. These drones are affordable, effective, and have changed the game for asymmetric warfare. On the naval front, Iran's strength is in the Persian Gulf. Its Navy and IRGC naval forces use fast attack boats, submarines, and mines to control the narrow Strait of Hormuz, the choke point for a huge chunk of the world's oil supply. This isn't about having the biggest ships, it's about strategy and making any conflict in the Gulf costly for adversaries. But Iran's military power isn't just about weapons and numbers, it's about influence. Through proxies like Hezbollah in Lebanon and militias in Iraq and Syria, Iran projects power far beyond its borders. That makes its military reach, both direct and indirect, hard to predict and even harder to counter. So, is Iran a military superpower? Not quite. But it's a regional powerhouse capable of shaping events and challenging even the world's strongest militaries. And in today's world, that makes Iran a force to be reckoned with.